Hi, this is Shamika from Forrest Love. In this video, we demonstrate a few cleaning tips for your copper water bottles and glasses. Our bottles are made of 99.7% pure copper and come with an outside lacquer. This lacquer not just protects your bottles from discoloring, but also gives them this extra shine. From within, if you notice, our bottles are completely unprocessed, pure copper. That's the reason over time you will notice a little bit of dark spotting and discoloring. There's nothing to worry and it's completely normal with copper. All you need to do to get this discoloring off is use a little bit of citric acid and hot water. Take 2 tablespoons of citric acid, pour hot boiling water until the neck of the bottle, and allow this mixture to rest for a few minutes. Once you notice that there are no more dark spots and the discoloring has completely vanished off, rinse the bottle off with cold water and dry it. The bottle is ready for its next use. If you do not have citric acid handy, you can also use vinegar as an alternative. Make sure, however, that vinegar reacts very strongly with copper, so use diluted amount of vinegar or very mild vinegar. The process of cleaning remains the same. Our bottles, as they are lacquered from outside, are not dishwasher friendly. Please remember that the cleaning tips that we recommended are primarily meant for Forrest Love water bottles, as our bottles are made with pure copper without any mix of aluminium or other heavy metals. If you're interested in knowing more about us, do watch our videos on how to use your copper water bottles and a few do's and don'ts as tips. We wish you lots of health and good vitality with your Tamra Jal. Have a great day.